How to cancel your Canva subscription. After opening Canva on your computer, click on your profile picture in the bottom left to open the drop-down menu. Then go to Settings. In the left menu, under Payments and Plans, click Billing. Now click Cancel Plan and then Cancel Completely. This will open the Google Play screen for your account. As you can see, it's still active. Next to Canva, go to Manage. Here you can decide whether to simply pause payments and therefore the subscription, or cancel it. Confirm again by clicking No Thanks. Enter any reason and cancel. You have successfully cancelled your Canva subscription.